Makes my act look nasty. Yo. Alright, y'all. We here with my mans. Yes, sir. You part of the family, y'all. Just got the K-Tuner V1.2. Told y'all you guys don't need a V2. You get a V1.2. As long as you got a laptop, easy, you straight, bro. Accent right here, man. Got this Accord, bro. Let me let him do his thing. Why he do his thing? Let me do a walk around this thing, man. This shit is too pain, bro. Look at the. This is how you guys need to build your Accords, okay? No stance, no go low, no back. This is how an 8th gen Accord is supposed to look. Look at this shit, bro. 350Z anniversaries, clean 18s, no hubcaps, so you can't tell what they are unless you know what they are. Bro, this is pain. Like, and imagine, right? We got the act sitting here, and the act is clean, but when I look at this, this is home. This is home. This is my guy Devin, y'all. Just met Devin for the first time. This is my first time meeting someone that's a part of the family. And he's about to get right with his little K-Tuner, man. He's about to get right. I'm gonna set it up. I'm coming back. Only 103,000 miles? Bomba cuts. Yo. This shit is bad, bro. I like this one. So, K-Tuner is officially sold, so you know what that means. We are going to go ahead and do a tune for my mans, bro. Personally, by DJ Media. Check that my ECU. R40. Don't forget, y'all, R40. If you got an 8th gen Accord, it should say R40. And this for you too, R40. R40 is the head. Yeah, K-Tuner is sold, man. Sheesh. Just want to post you guys quick little video, man. Bro, look at how this thing sits. Look at how this thing is, bro. Hack is beautiful, but this is home. And he got the 2011. I think he says 2011. So he has the updated face. That was something that I needed, bro. Oh my gosh, and the clears. Clean. Bumper class. Yo, the car look good, bro. That's it, man. We're gonna be seeing him again soon. We're actually gonna take him out to a meet. He never got a chance to go to a show. I just confirmed with him, so we're gonna actually take him out to a meet very soon. And we might go to a Beamer show with him because there's a couple Beamer shows that are gonna be going on this month. So we'll try to see if we can get him back in a video one time. But bruh, super hard, bro. Yes, sir. Take care, everybody. Woo! Step out real quick, man. Look a little dusty, but I had to come sell a K-Tuner to my guy real quick, bro. I was like, nah, I'm gonna come meet him. He was like, yo, there's no way. I'm like, nah, there is a way, bro. I'm so happy, y'all. I'm so geeked out. It's so fun to meet you guys in person. I would love, like I said, I would love to really just host a meet and get a chance to meet everybody post no freaky. But hope y'all enjoyed this quick little video. Just want to take you guys out with me real quick. Y'all stay safe, stay blessed. Love y'all. DJ Media out of here, man. What's going on, y'all? DJ Media in the spot, man. As y'all can see, it's a rainy day. But rain equals good because we are actually about to be swapping off these wheels, man. I know y'all just saw the oh shit, I always call them 203s. I know you guys just saw the 302s in the last video, but I was looking at it in the driveway and I'm like, I don't really think I like these wheels like that. I'm gonna be honest. Let's go back to some 18s. So went on Facebook Marketplace, my best friend, and I found some 441Ms. And it looks pretty good. I mean, you know, we had the 400Ms on the last TL, so now we're just gonna pretty much put the 441Ms. And they're 18s, 18 by 8 and then 18 by 8.5, so it's a staggered setup. Should look pretty good on this car. No spacer, just gonna drop it a little bit lower and just call it a day pretty much on the 18s. I mean, I don't know. I saw the 19s and we'll do a walk around once they're on, but I saw the 19s, it's just like, I don't know, the car looks too chunky. It doesn't look like how my old one looked, and I'll make sure I put a picture for you guys to see. I just wasn't jacking it like that, you feel me? So we're on the way now to my man's. He got a YouTube channel as well. I'll put his in the description below. my guy Tristan. We're gonna go swap wheels with him real quick. And yeah, we got an hour drive ahead, so y'all just stay tuned. If I catch something on the way, then y'all know I put it on the cam. Other than that, we chilling, man. Look at this land, y'all. Look at this land, y'all. Yeah. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna put this together. I'm probably gonna be talking over it now, but you guys will have seen my guy Devin's beautiful ass 8th-gen Accord. We're gonna definitely do a review of that shit soon, because that thing is too clean and it brought back too much memories to the point where it's like, yo, I gotta buy one now. So hopefully y'all enjoy that as well, and let's continue this day forward. Jeez, man. That's dirty boy, man. Popped out. That's it, man. They took him. They're gen boys, man. So he just linked up with my guy, Tristan. I like it, bro. Look good. Third gen just popped out, man. 6-speed Type S. So now we're with Tristan.
It was good.
Yes, sir. Like I said.
Y'all go tap in with me.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in the bio. You already know. So we're gonna get. Bomba class. All right, so now we're gonna jack up the cars and go ahead with the swap, y'all. 441 302. We got one wheel on now, y'all. 1 and 1. Sheesh. Trying to get a 19 real quick. All right, y'all. So we just lowered it down on one side. Yo. Plus 22 hits.
Yeah, no, that offset got me.
Yeah, offset is, bro. I knew it was gonna be perfect on this car, bro.
And I'm not gonna rub.
No rub?
I still got plenty of room to go if I wanted to go low with the coilovers too.
And the coils will make it camber out.
Right.
And you can even get a smaller sidewall.
Get it like, because these are what, 45?
Yeah,
Do like
45.
a 35?
Yeah.
And have it tucking like to here?
Yes, sir. Yo. These just need a wash, bro. That's it.
Yeah, I'm really gonna wash them up because I'm off tomorrow. So
Oh, me
I'll probably
too.
give them a good wash.
Oh yeah, I'm about to do it. What? I'm about to adjust my coilovers tomorrow. That's the next video.
Yeah, we lit.
All right, bet. All right, y'all, almost there. Got one more wheel to pretty much swap off. Sheesh. As y'all can see, man, TL's back on the 18s. Perfect. This is how it needs to look. Clean and flush. And this is how his is supposed to look. Nice and aggressive. He got the right body for it, bro.
Pause.
So I'm gonna get back to y'all when we pretty much wrapped up. And the rain covered trade is complete. And this is some fitment. This is fitment. So he gotta go take a drive and make sure they don't rub. From that, we are going to be style 441 boys. Ack is done. Bro, the Ack looks so much better. It's like both of these cars, they pulled up looking like one thing, and now it's like they fit what they need to be. They fit what they need to be.
Hey, I gotta take a pic.
If your shit was white, bro, I'm telling you. Sheesh. Bro, this is hard. It's like they fit. They got the wheels they needed.
Yours needed 18s, mine needed
19s. And the black, bro. Beamski. Can I put up the seat?
Yeah, you
Yeah? Thank you, bro. Good. And the Beamski, y'all.
in the wheel.
Love the beams. Check, fitment check, fitment check. Sheesh. It's touching something. Sheesh. Trying to focus it for you. So we're trying to get everything dialed in with the rubbing. Oh, you're not rubbing back here no more. Sheesh. Here, rub. Little scrapey scrape. That's how he's sitting right now, y'all. Clean, boys. Where'd you hear it? All right, y'all. He's gonna go test drive it now. His rears seem to have cleared now. We just pulled them by hand. Real DIY shit, man. A little rub on the rear. All right, y'all. TL is done. Now we are going to drive home, go meet up with wifey, eat some food, and go to fuck to sleep. Cause man, we was out here in the rain thugging it out, trying to really get this trade done. We had finally got it done. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, man. I love y'all. You see what I do for you guys, man. I did it for myself, but really, I'm like, bro, this is content at the end of the day. Why not just come outside, film? I'm meeting a random person for the first time. Y'all meeting a random person for the first time. And we're just gonna trade the wheels like that. And we in the rain, bro. I'm telling you, I'm soaking right now, bro. I'm about to get yelled at when I go home because she's gonna say I'm gonna get sick. But DJ Media out here, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the act, man. Love y'all. Take care. I'm out.